Imagine landing in a new country, like arriving in Paris from London, and instead of scrambling for a local SIM card at the airport, dealing with long lines, language barriers, or overpriced options, you switch on your phone and instantly have data. Affordable, high-speed internet for maps, ride shares, translations, and staying connected with family back home. No physical SIM swaps, no roaming fees from your carrier. Just seamless connectivity that activates before you even take off. That's exactly the great experience millions of travelers enjoy with Airalo every day. It's a leading eSIM provider offering digital SIM card for over 200 countries and regions worldwide, from Europe and Asia to Africa, the Americas, and beyond. Plans start as low as $1 for basic data, with options for voice/SMS, and they work on compatible phones, most iPhones from XS onward, many Androids like Google Pixel or Samsung S20 Plus. You get instant installation, top-up options, and 24/7 support. Prices are often 5-10x cheaper than traditional roaming, and you can buy multiple eSIMs for multi-country trips. Whether you're a solo adventurer, family vacationer, or business traveler, Airalo keeps you online without the hassle, so you can focus on exploring. Today, we're walking you through how to set up your first eSIM and get started. It's super simple on their app or website. To begin and grab a welcome discount on your first plan, click the Airalo link in the description below. It helps you save while supporting the channel. Let's jump in. First, check if your phone supports eSIM. Go to Settings on iPhone, Settings Cellular on Android, Settings Network and Internet SIMs. If you see Add eSIM or similar, you're good. Download the Airalo app from the App Store or Google Play. Search Airalo eSIM, or visit airalo.com on your browser. Use the link in the description for your discount. Open the app or site. You'll see featured plans in a search bar. Step 1. Search for your destination. Type the country or region, e.g., France or Europe regional for multi-country coverage. Step 2. Browse plans. You'll see options by data amount, 1 GB to unlimited, validity, 7 to 30 days, and price. Pick one that fits your trip. Reviews from other travelers help decide. Step 3. Tap Buy Now. Add to cart, then checkout. Fill in payment, credit/debit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or PayPal. Apply any promo. New users often get auto discounts via the link. Once purchased, your eSIM details appear in My eSIMs, including a QR code, installation code, and instructions. To install, on iPhone, go to Settings, Cellular, Add eSIM, scan QR code. Use another device or screenshot to scan. On Android, Settings, Network, and Internet SIMs, download a SIM, scan QR. Follow prompt to label it, something like France data, and set as secondary line. Activate. Turn on the eSIM line, enable data roaming for the eSIM only, and select it as your data source. It auto-activates on arrival or manually via the app. Pro tip: buy and install before your trip. Test it with Wi-Fi. For regions like Europe, get a regional plan to cover multiple countries without switching. That's it. Your first Airalo eSIM is set up and you're connected hassle-free. Don't wait for roaming shocks on your next trip. Use Airalo and experience the difference. If you haven't already, click the link in the description to sign up or buy now and get your welcome discount on that first plan. It's the easiest way to save. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Travel Master, and turn on notifications for more travel tool guides every week. Comment below, what's your next destination? I'd love to hear and maybe cover eSIMs there next. Thanks for watching. Go out there